What does it take to truly master Amazon PPC? Humility. Marketers are salespeople, right? What I noticed is that most of the time salespeople there's little to no humility in them because they want to sell. They have to sell. It's good and you should buy it. And as an advertiser, what I'm noticing is even when I am jumping on audit calls, what I'm noticing is that if I'm going to sell someone that I'm guaranteeing them that I'm going to increase their account by 20-30%, even if I know clearly that I can deliver that, I'm not going to guarantee anymore. The reason for that is because if I'm going to say that I'm guaranteeing and anything else besides outside of me going to happen to their account, they're still going to blame me because I guaranteed them. Hence, you have to be humble. You have to be super good. You have to be proud of your skills. Once that you manage an account and you're taking up the ad portion, you have to handle it. And you have to own mistakes if you're making any mistakes. But if you're going to just sell them on why you're the best thing, that is something that can damage so much reputation. And reputation is everything. Humility is one of the things that most people are not going to see because it takes you to stay humble and understand every campaign is a hypothesis. Stay humble and understand that you might be knowing the best things and those things might be working for one account, but for the other one, it's not going to be, and be okay with that. You also might be humble about the fact that even if you're doing things right, clients are still going to be unhappy just because that's the nature of service business. So I think that humility is one of those things that first, if you want to master PPC ads, second, goes hand in hand with humility. Understand the freaking basics matter. If you don't have a good understanding of your fundamentals, what are ads, what ad types are there, what strategies are there, how could you set up everything, you're going to be sold on this. You can achieve it in 3 months, you can have it and so on. Trust me, I've done that and I was heartbroken when I saw that's not the case and desperate because I thought that I know what I'm doing. In 3 months, there's little to no guarantee that you are going to be able to master that. So mastery is going to be humility. Second, learn fundamentals. And 3, understand that it's going to take time, at least, I would say 2 years, 3 years. Besides the fact that you're learning skills and fundamentals, you're also learning the skill of understanding that certain things, there's no way for you to know unless you're testing them.